Hi, in this video, we are going to look at how we go about making a variable the subject of the formula when it has a coefficient. To do this, we need to ask two questions about the variable. One, what is it joined to? And two, how is it joined? Then we perform the opposite operation. Remember that you need to move all other terms to the opposite side of the equal sign before focusing on the coefficient. Let's look at some examples. Make the letter in bold the subject of the following equation. Ax is equal to b. X is our bold letter. It is multiplied by a. The opposite operation of multiplication is division. And remember, what you do to one side, you do to the other. So let's divide both sides by a. Ax over a is equal to b over a. On the left side, the a's will cancel, and we're left with x. And on the right side, we now have b over a, and x is the subject of the formula. Let's do another one. PV is equal to n multiplied by RT. Again, we have multiplication, so now we can divide. I'm going to divide by RT on this side, and by R and T on this side. On the right-hand side, the R's will cancel, and the T will cancel, and we're left with N on this side. On the right-hand side, we have PV over RT, and N is now the subject. 3N minus R is equal to M. In the beginning of this video, we said you have to move all other terms to the other side of the equal sign. We have 3n, which is positive, so we can leave it where it is, say 3n. Then we have to move negative r across, put in our equal sign. Let's write down m that's already there. We have negative r, so we're going to say plus r. Now we have 3 multiplied by n, so we have to divide both sides by 3. So I can say 3n over 3 and m plus r over 3. On the left, 3's will cancel, and I have n. And on the right, I have m plus r all over 3. And now n is the subject of the formula. P is equal to 2w plus s. 2w is positive, so we can leave it where it is. So let's write 2w on this side. To get this term by itself, we have to move the s across. So let's write down the p that's already there. We have positive s, so we're going to have negative s. Now to get w by itself, we have to divide by 2. So let's divide by 2 on this side. On the right, the 2's cancel, and we're left with w. On the left, we have p minus s all over 2. I want to do one more. P is equal to 3r minus 5s. 5s is negative. So the first thing we have to do is we have to move it to the left-hand side of the equal sign. I can say 5s. Then we want to put everything else on the right-hand side. We've got 3r, so we can say 3r. Let's move the p, so we say minus p. S is multiplied by 5, so let's divide by 5. So divide by 5 on this side, and divide by 5 on this side. On the left-hand side, the 5's cancel, and we're left with s. And on the right-hand side, we have 3r minus p all over 5. And now s is the subject of this equation. Please work through some questions on this section before carrying on with our videos.